It's about 9:35, 9:40. We were supposed to leave much earlier, but the rains haven't stopped at all since last night. I'll give you a view. So we are waiting for it to hopefully slow down a little. And this is just day 2. This is literally just day 2. We had rains yesterday too, but not as bad. But since last night, it's just been thunderstorming. The pass that we have to go to is almost 6 degrees when we checked earlier. Probably cooler or colder now. Visibility also doesn't seem like it's a lot. But ठीक है, we're getting ready now and hoping it gets better. Well, it's almost 12:15 and we're still here. We haven't started. Another unfortunate event for the X-Pulse. It had a puncture. It didn't have a puncture. The valve was loose, right? The valve was loose on Akash's bike. We got that fixed. And we were just about to leave. It cleared up. We found the puncture, got that done, and now it's raining again. It's cloudy again. Both the days, not even both the days. First day has been eventful. Second day has been more eventful, thanks to the rain. Finally, at about, I'm guessing 12:30, 12:40, we've started for the day, and the weather's not been the best. Okay, that is scary. That is very scary. Bro. Because of the rain last night, all these stones have rolled over. Some of them are not even stones, they're proper boulders. And some of them are really sharp. Okay, bad decision. Okay. Control Uday, control. Okay, this is. Oh, let's not jinx it. There is a proper crossing. Proper crossing. Okay. Okay, that is deep. जाओ 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 चीचा जाओ.
मैं बताता हूँ डीप नहीं है, यहाँ से जाएगा ना उधर जाएगा.
जा जा मुस्ती, डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट. अरे नहीं, कोई प्रो नहीं है, जा ना ब्रो. अरे है, सब औकात है, चल. ओके, दिस इज डीप ब्रो. दिस इज प्रॉपरली ओके. दिस इज नहीं ब्रो, दिस इज डीप. ओके, गणपति बाप्पा. Yeah, boy, come on! Yes! Yes! Holy f***! Holy f***! Okay, that is deep as f***. Alright. Okay, last clip. Excuse my shouting and excitement, but that was really deep. That was almost above my calf, closing my knee. भदरवा. हाँ.
चलो सर, खाना शाना खा ले.
नहीं नहीं भैया, अभी तो सुबह से इतनी बारिश हो रही है तो हम निकले ही लेट. अभी यहीं से निकले हम, बानी से.
अच्छा, बनी से.
हाँ.
नहीं चलो खाना खा लो.
नहीं नहीं भैया, अभी तो अभी खा के निकले थे हम. कहाँ, आप कहाँ रहते हो?
मैं तो ऐसे बेसिकल जम्मू में ही रहता हूँ.
अच्छा, तो आप घूमने आए हो?
नहीं, ऐसे घर भी यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, ओके.
10 दिन के लिए आया था, छुट्टियाँ पड़ी हुई स्कूलों में.
अच्छा,
जी जी.
तो आप बोल रहे हैं आज बंदरवा नहीं करें?
आज भद्रवा नहीं जाना क्योंकि पानी बहुत ज़्यादा है, क्यों प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी रास्ते में.
इससे भी ज़्यादा है?
ये तो कुछ नहीं है सर.
अरे रे रे.
गाड़ी नहीं टपेगी, ये भी गिर जाएगी, पलटा जाएगी.
अच्छा,
आप थोड़ा पानी देखो दरिया.
हाँ वो तो देखा कि बहुत फोर्स है.
यही पानी है, ये वहीं से निकल.
कल तो काफ़ी कम था रात को.
रात को था ही नहीं, रात को बारिश पड़ी ना. ये कल हो जाएगा काम, आज नहीं होगा.
अभी वो बीआरओ वाले भी मिले थे बीच में, उन्होंने बोला काम चालू है पर.
नहीं, काम तो वो रोड का चालू है.
अच्छा.
पानी को क्या करेंगे?
हाँ, पानी को तो क्या ही कर लेंगे.
वही ना, पानी को कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नर्वस टुडे, नो डाउट, बिकॉज कंडीशंस आर सच, वेदर, रोड. We've climbed from there to here in no time. Honestly, no time. So sweet, dude. Thank you. There definitely were landslides here last night, and the BROs, they made a road here, man. It seems impossible. Can't imagine the amount of effort that's gone into this. Just look at this. Okay, I don't want to look down also. It's better not to look down. This is beyond what I expected. What riding! This is beautiful. It's bloody freezing out, but I'm sweating within. To do that here is difficult. We're almost close to the summit, about 3 kilometers, but the gentleman here, were from the BRO I'm guessing, have said the 3 kilometers is going to take 30 odd minutes, and that sounds like a lot of activity to me, because that road, it goes right there, and there somewhere is Sarthal. Oh, I can see snow! There is snow there. I'm guessing not where we're going to be, but there is snow along the way somewhere. We get a glimpse of it. Look at that. Oh, there's vultures. Akash vulture. Oh, I don't know if you can see it right there. I can't explain how beautiful this is, how wild this is. Look at that waterfall. I'm sure even this doesn't do justice to that. Not even close from what I can see. I can just see the shadows of these vultures flying over me. Wow. You see that missing stone there under the house? It's right here. It's come down onto the road. Crazy. They're gonna blast these stones off. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you. Thank you. The sweet BRO guys, they didn't do the blasting and they actually made a road for us so that we could pass, because we'd been stuck for a while, which I think was supremely sweet. No, don't keep your leg down. पैर ऊपर कर मुझसे. All about balance and momentum. I haven't kept my leg down yet, and I don't intend to. Whew. Done. Also, I'm surprised. Airtel has full network. I just went live with 3 viewers, but I did go live. And no, concentrate, baby. Yeah. So yeah, hats off to Airtel. Jio का भी इतना नहीं आ रहा था, but I could do a FaceTime call. Okay, I'm just gonna stand up and do this and not talk. Oh my lord, this is mucky. First में डालो और निकलते जाओ ओए भाई. Wow, look at that valley. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, 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 look at that.
Check this out. How is this?
It'll never do justice, man.
And you don't even have to be like a photographer or something. Just point and shoot and that's it.
Just look at that beautiful. Like it's just so. I don't have words to explain how beautiful this is. It just is that beautiful. सोचना कौन आया होगा यहाँ पे? For what they must have come explored this part of the world. Made a settlement here. And lived happily ever after. अरे भाई खत्म होगा कि नहीं? Why is this so much fun? I don't know. Ooh, the sun is out. Look at this, gorgeous, right? And then these are the horses. But then look at this. People have trashed the place, absolutely trashed the place. Look at all of this. Hate to see this, man. Hate to see this. कुछ नहीं यार. So finally we did how many kilometers? 30.
25.
32
kilometers. So finally we've left at 1 o'clock and got here at, what time did we get here? 6ish. And we've done only 32 kilometers. But that included like a road blasting, all that. Yeah, and it's super cold now. We're just in this tiny ass room. So that's the door. That's the ass there. That's the little bathroom there. But the view makes up for everything.
Yeah, the
view out there, not you. But yeah, and super cold, supremely cold already. So we don't know what's gonna happen at night. Well, it's 10 o'clock in the night. We're at Sarthal preparing for dinner. It's freezing cold, man. Freezing cold. And somehow we managed to come back. Yeah.